Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. I'm gonna wait for you guys to subscribe because y'all like playing with me, and I think it's ghetto, okay? Ghetto. So for this video, it's a little bit different. I am going to show you how I create this beautiful matte smoky eye, which is crazy, right? It's completely matte and it's super simple to do, but it is a recreation of this look by Rollie Pollie snack meals on Baddies West. So I was watching it with my cousin Cheyenne. Hey Shy, hey girl. We watch trash TV on Sundays, and this is a Zeus Network show. It's a reboot of Bad Girls Club by Natalie Nunn, and it's ghetto, and it's ratchet, and it's entertaining most times. So while watching it, I saw this confessional look, and I was like, it's beautiful. I want to recreate it. So that's what I did. And if you guys are ready to spin on this and how I actually do it with only 3 eyeshadows, make sure you go ahead and keep on watching. Let's get started. All right, so as you guys saw from the intro and the title, I'm going to be recreating the confessional look by Rollie Pollie snack meals from Baddies West. This is a Zeus Network show, so if you haven't seen it, then honestly, it's like Bad Girls Club, but like ghetto, and there's no plot. But I really like this look, so I'm just gonna put up on screen right here. And I thought she looked really, really nice. It's just Rollie Pollie, but Rollie Pollie snack meal. She was actually on, this is crazy. That's how you know I watch trash TV. She was on One More Chance. Let's get started. So I have the picture here on my phone just for reference. And it seems like it's, first of all, it's like a teal smoky. I don't have teal. It's like a mint. But this is the closest I got. So we're gonna do it anyway. It's like a smoky eye. But it is all matte, so I think that's really, really cute. Going into my Sephora Pro palette in warm. I hate this thing. Let's see. I don't know what shade it is. I really hate this. I'm gonna use a soft brown, so I'm gonna use Saddle with my large fluffy blending brush. And this is just gonna be my transition shade, only because the only pop of color is on the lid. And I don't wanna lint over me. And I'm just trying to recreate the look as best I can. I'm not going to add too much differences, but I just thought it was a really, really nice look. I primed my lids today using Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. I've only used it one other time, so we're going to see how it works. So it is a little bit lighter. I thought it would help because the lid shade, again, it's going to be matte, and it's a pretty light shade. Of course, I'm going to cut the crease still, but, you know, we want to give it an advantage. See if it'll make a difference. So that's gonna be it, just to get some warmth on the lid. And this, it doesn't really matter if it's a little high, only because it's not like a bright color. And it's just a nice, pretty brown, like me. This should be a really quick eye look. If you guys are not watching Baddies on Zeus, I'm not saying watch it. It's, somebody said, it's just fights in an Airbnb, which it is. But sometimes it's entertaining. Baddies South is where Krishan Rock blew up. Y'all, Toothless Wonder. Like, sorry, that is not nice. But yeah, I just thought it was a really, really, really pretty look. And I'm trying to do a little bit trying to do things a little bit differently here on my channel. So this is a start. And I thought it would be a really simple look also. So there's that brown down. It's pretty soft. I think it's really, really nice. Next I'm going to use, just staying in this palette, I'm going to go into Obsidian, which is that black. But I'm going to use my Morphe E36. So I'm going to, let's take a look. Because it's like winged out a little bit on the end. And it's at an angle. So I'm going to use this as a crease shade and outer corner. I'm going to take a little bit. And we're going to, oof. It's so intense, but it's a great black. Also like me. Sorry, y'all. We're gonna pop some on the outer corner. This is just to get rid of a lot of that pigment, and then I'm going to start hitting that crease. And with such an intense pigment, I'm going to take my time, and I'm going to advise that you guys do the same. I think I'm just going to stop about here. I am still cutting the crease, so don't worry about that, but I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out. And we'll do the same to the other eye. I don't want this to be taking too long, so I'll do the other eye off camera, but I just want you guys to see how I'm building it up. And I think I'm just going to wing it, bring it up like that as well. Just being very, very careful because this can get really, really intense really, really fast. Just gonna double check to see if it is winged out. Okay, so not winged out. So I can clean this up. So I'm gonna clean that up once I go ahead and do my base, but I'm going to just continue. I'm just gonna round it out as much as I can. Again, that's gonna be cleaned up when I do my base, but I just wanna make sure the pigment is there. But I did see on the lid, it is like at an angle. Yeah, so maybe that's what it was. So we'll do this. I think this is enough. And I'm just gonna go ahead and build up that pigment as well as do the other side and come back. We'll cut the crease on camera. So the black is down. I'm going to now cut the crease. It's just my Shape Tape and tan sand and a concealer brush. I need some new concealer. And we're almost done with this look. That's why I was like, I'll just cut the crease on camera because it's not a lot going on and it's a matte look. So really the base has to be absolutely flawless, and I have these face demons. So yeah. What I did notice before I cut the crease, I'm going to just let you guys know that I did notice that there's still some black showing where the above the teal. So I'm gonna make sure I keep that, and it is at an angle in the front. So let's do some. Trying my best not to have the mirror cover my face so you guys can see. But I'm just going to shape it out. And probably have to bring it a little higher than that. I think that works. I don't know if I have to use like a glitter primer to get the lid shade to stay or be vibrant. I'll do it without first because it is a matte. I'm going to wait for my concealer to actually dry down. Usually I don't because I want it to be tacky when I'm applying shimmers, but it's an all matte look, y'all, and we are already almost done. The look is actually so simple, but it just looks so beautiful, and she looked great. She looked really, like, her makeup in the confessional looked really good. But like, y'all, right after that she was back to looking like Luther Vandross, as she said, because they snatched her wig off. And that's all she wrote for that episode. First 2 episodes. The episodes are like a bunch of nothing. They really don't do anything. But it's like, I like trash TV. So that's how it is. I'm gonna leave it like this. Once I put down the lid shade, I'll go back and I'll add the black and make sure that it is doing what it needs to do. But we're gonna need a little bit more of this. And we're just gonna go ahead and do the other side. So I think that's good. You guys know this is my little eye. It's shaped differently. So it's going to look a little different. But that is it. I just need to let it dry down some. And then we can go into the lid shade, which is actually going to be from my Nomad Cosmetics Paradise Islands palette. It's just so pretty. And I believe it is I'm going to use the Dolphin shade, which is a very light blue. It'll be on the screen, but it is just gorgeous. If I had a top to match, I would use Stingray, which is more teal. But I don't. So that's that. And so I'm going to go into my 234, my Smoky Shader brush. I lied. Yeah. my Luxe Smoky Shader Brush by Zoeva, and I'm going to see if it'll, you know, if it'll do what I need to do. So look how beautiful. Oh, this palette is so beautiful. Oh yeah. I left it, the concealer was still a little tacky, and I think that helps. I'm just packing it on. Again, it's not a shimmer, so just want to make sure I get all that pigment on. This palette actually makes it easier to do an all matte look like this because the shadows are not as hard pressed, so they're very, like, a very light hand is needed, but that means the pigment is there, y'all. Oh, that green, that tiki shade, I think I used it once and it was beautiful. I think this is beautiful. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. I'm happy with this. We're literally almost done. There was nothing much to this look. I just think that it looked really good. No Tino. I don't know how to do this. No Tino shade, but like her eyelash was kind of. Look. Alright, I'm sorry. But I just noticed it, and I just thought I'll show you guys. Sorry, but she is a fan favorite, and this look was just, it was just so pretty to me. All right, so now I think it looks good, y'all. I'm gonna go back into my Sephora Pro palette in Warm and just touch up that Obsidian shade. And here I'm just going to clean it up, make sure that the black is doing its thing, and the look is just coming through. It was such a simple look. Check my reference. Actually, I got a better picture. I'm not sure, like, it looked really simple. When I go off camera just to finish up the eyes, I'm going to add a pop of color in the waterline just because it's who I am, but I'm going to smoke out the lower lash line with the black because I think I need to.
Pull up, Rusty.
You see here, I'm just reinforcing that shape. But I think it looks really, really, really good. Also, I think the other thing is the lip. The lip was really nice. It was like a liner and a lip gloss. But I'm gonna do the same thing. Similar. But yeah, this was just so pretty, and I thought it was a really cute, easy look. 3 shadows, smoky, all matte, which I don't do often. Just trying to make her. As you can see, I'm kind of like rounding out the edges, so it's giving like a butterfly effect. That's a movie, y'all. But yeah, so that is it for the eyes. It's really, really easy. Off camera, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the look, come back and show you guys, and hopefully it's a quick video. Yeah.
This right here is my mug. In slow motion, my mug. A beauty shot you can't compare to. So book me and I'll do it for you.
Guys, this is the final look. I love how it came out. It was super simple to do. Only used 3 shadows, y'all. And that was it. I did, like, honestly, the entire eye look was done on camera. Off camera, I just added my lashes. Of course, I went in with my Baddies style lashes because they just flare out the end and you get to see the entire eye look. On the waterline, I went in with my LA Girl Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in Fresh. That is this color, which is the color that Rollie was wearing. I just don't... Look, it worked, okay? That's it. You guys see the contact there in HD Blue by TTDI. That will be in the description down below. But the lip combo, I think, really does it. So I went in with a black lip liner, and I topped it with my Dose of Colors in Nude Mood in the center, just to lighten it up. But then I went ahead and used this She Glam lip gloss. This is in the shade In Disguise. I have a whole video using only SheGlam makeup products. And y'all, SheGlam is the makeup line from Shein. It is amazing, okay? I found my new favorite foundation there, and I have a foundation wear test for that. So go ahead and check it out. But that is it, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super easy look. How does it look compared to the original? Honestly, I think I did that. Especially the lashes. I think I did that. Like, I would love to send Rollie some lashes. Rollie, if you ever see this, I don't know if you do, hit me up. I will send you some lashes. Because I feel like mine were better than the ones that you were wearing. Sorry, no tea. It's the truth. I promise. And that's it. But that is it, guys. If there are any other looks from any TV shows or confessionals from any shows, reality TV, anything, make sure you let me know in the comment section down below. Engage with me or DM me and send me the look on Instagram so I can go ahead and recreate it. Again, this is from Rollie Pollie Snack Mealz confessional look on Baddies West. That is a Zeus Network show. I did a small little summary on the Crazy in Love show with Krishan and Blueface. It's in my shorts, so notification bell better be on. Because that show had me feeling away and I had to talk about it. I don't know if I'll do more little reviews like that on my shorts. If you guys like it, comment under that short and I'll do some more. Let me know. I'm trying to bring some new things to this channel and I'm trying to stay motivated so that I don't feel like I'm in a slump and that I have to push out content. So this was fun for me and I love to do some more of that for you guys. Okay? But that is it, guys. If you like the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. It definitely helps me out a lot and gets my videos seen, pushes it out there in the YouTube algorithm, which is trash. And this year, for sure, I want to hit 2,000 subscribers because, y'all. So I'm doing what I can, okay? I'm doing what I can. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.